We've got this line y equals 2x plus 1, and we're asked to show that this line is a tangent to the circle C, and find the coordinates of Q, the point of contact of L and C. So circle and line with the point of contact, they say that's my point Q there, okay? And we've got to find the coordinates, but we've also got to show that it is a tangent. So to show it's a tangent, what we're going to do, we're going to solve simultaneous equations, okay? We're going to look at when the circle and the line intersect, all right? And if we get just one result out, that means that it intersects at one point, okay? And essentially touches the circle. So we've got x squared plus y squared plus 6x minus 10y plus 14 equals 0. So all I need to do then is sub in my value for y, okay, solving simultaneously. So 2x plus 1 into here, right? And the same here with this then, so it'll be minus then 10y. So minus then 10 times y, and y is 2x plus 1. Okay, so it's a case then of expanding and simplifying and so on. So here we'll write the bracket out twice. We've got plus 6x then from there, and then we could expand this now already. So minus 10 times 2x is minus 20x. Minus 10 then times 1 is minus 10 plus 14 equals 0. So then let's expand this double bracket here. So I've got 4x squared first, and then the outers is 2x, the inners is 2x, so that's plus 4x in total. Last then is 1 plus 6x minus 20x minus 10 plus 14 equals 0. So let's now put it all together. So we've got x squared and 4x squared is 5x squared. 4x and 6x is 10x. Take away 20x is minus 10x. And then we've got 1. Take away 10 is minus 9. Add 14 then is plus 5 equals 0. So we've got a nice quadratic. And you can see with that quadratic we could divide by 5 there, yeah? Because 5 is a common factor, so we get x squared minus 2x plus 1 equals 0. And then double bracket, and we need two numbers then that multiply to give 1. Well, that can only be 1 and 1. Add up to give minus 2. So 1 and 1 to be minus 2, they both have to be minus. So you could see then we've got x minus 1 equals 0 as our only result. So x equals 1. And x equals 1, of course, well, they asked for the coordinate, don't they? Okay, but we could say, before we go to the coordinate, we could say, look, only one root, okay? Therefore, the line is a tangent to circle. So x is 1. To work out y then, we'll just put it into the equation for the line L, which is 2x plus 1. So when x equals 1, y is 2 times 1 plus 1, which is 3. So therefore q is equal to 1, 3. Okay, so we can put 1, 3 there. Okay, and we can go on to the next part. So the next part says, okay, what does it say? The point R has coordinates 4, 9, and R lies on L. Okay, so R is somewhere over here. It's got coordinates 4, 9. Then it says find the angle ARQ. So ARQ will join A to R. Will be the angle, okay, with the join of A to R and R to Q. So it's this angle here they want. Okay. Now we can work that angle out, okay, if we know certain distances. The reason why I say that is because if we complete our triangle here by joining A to Q, this here has to be a right angle, okay, because if you remember, tangent is right angle to the radius, okay. So we've now got a right angle triangle, okay. Now we know, of course, the distance there, a to q, okay, because that's just the radius of the circle, which I believe was square root of 20, yeah? Okay, so all I need now is to work out the distance of another side. So once you've got two sides, then I can work out the angle. So let's work out distance QR, shall we? So QR, or RQ, so distance RQ will equal to, so remember the formula, so we've got, so we'll have what we have there, so 4, that's my x2, and my x1 is there, so 4 take away 1, all squared, and then my y2 will be 9, and y1 is 3, so 9 take away 3 all squared. So let's work out on a calculator. So that comes out to be 3 root 5, okay, that's what I get there. So I've got then 3 root 5 here. So to get the angle, take the angle at R, I just need to use SOHCAHTOA, and of course that's going to be my opposite side, opposite the angle, and then my adjacent here, okay, next to the angle, so O and A. So quite simply, O and A is going to be tan. So tan of the angle then at R will be the opposite, which is root 20, divided by the adjacent, which is 3 root 5. So R will equal to tan to the minus 1 of root 20 over 3 root 5. And I get 33.7 degrees. Okay, do they want it to 1 decimal place? Do they specify? Doesn't specify, so 1 decimal place is absolutely fine.